So we're just keeping it slow. Again here, potential meeting situation, we can see the bus stop. So if a bus comes round this bend, it's going to be on our side of the road. And it's a meeting situation. To keep it dead slow, look round. Now we're keeping by the left curb. There you go. Are there any parked vehicles? No. Was that a meeting situation? Yes, definitely. But nothing there. We're still prepared for it happening. Keep it slow as we come round. Double yellow lines mean people park where they shouldn't. So we're looking. At the moment it's clear up, but we can't see round the bend. So once again, another potential meeting situation. We've had one bus, nothing to stop a second one coming round. So now we're slowing it down. What if there's parked vehicles? What if there's a bus coming the other way? There you go. Now he's just passed him. This was your potential meeting situation.
Very closed and tight.
Oh, well done. So we just stop, see where he's going, and then we can get round him. It's dead slow. That's it. Just keep it rolling. Keep going. Keep left slightly. Keep going. Okay. That's it. And then follow it round.
That was the worst time I could have taken that corner as well.
Well, the best time. At least we know we can do it now.
Yeah.